My name is Jeremias Mowo, and I'm the regional coordinator for ICRAF Eastern Africa. Eastern African region comprises of Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Ethiopia, and to some extent Eritrea, and South Sudan, where we want to really start doing something there. This is one of the region which has got almost all agroecosystems, and majority of the highlands in Africa are found in this area. I would say about 60% of the really highland areas in Africa are found in the East African region, and certainly then that poses quite several problems where agroforestry can address. Among the major problems we face in the region are massive land degradation, and characterized by excessive erosion, especially in the highlands where there is quite a lot of rainfall, but also in the lowlands, in the dry lowlands, where we have a land degradation as a result of excessive livestock, that is overgrazing, and aspects of deforestation, which is common in highland and the lowlands alike. Agroforestry can help in that we have technologies that can go towards addressing the problem of land degradations, for example, in terms of soil conservation, but also in terms of improving soil fertility. We have so-called fertilizer trees, which can improve the soil fertility through biological processes like biological nitrogen fixation. But also agroforestry can contribute significantly to incomes in terms of their agroforestry products, ranging from timber and other wood products, other building materials, and also in terms of food, fruits and vegetables, and also in terms of medicinal supplies. From agroforestry also we can actually be assured of better environment, a more sustainable environment, and trees also contribute immensely to regulating the weather, and also certainly then that means have a very big role in actually building the resilience of the agroecosystems to climate change, to the adverse effects of climate change. Yeah. The project that we are particularly proud of is the Evergreen Agriculture Project, and this particular project funded by several donors, but mostly the EU via IFAD. Also we have some funds from Swedish SIDA. It's looking into scaling up agroforestry technologies to actually lead into landscape level impact, so that more communities and more landscape can benefit from agroforest technologies in the region. We have species which are suitable for the highland, very high altitude areas, like Alnosa acuminata. We have species which are suitable for the middle altitudes, as well as species which are suitable for the lowlands. And of course, the Fidebia sort of fits mainly in the lowlands and sometimes also in the highlands, but they are better off in the lowlands. From our studies, some of the issues that we've come across are issues like lack of appropriate policies, which actually would promote the adoption of agroforestry, and also weak institutional support to farming communities, so that they can take up these technologies. And by support here, it ranges from technical backup and community facilitation, so that they can work together, but also aspects of marketing. For example, when we talk of agroforestry, we are talking about improving the productivity of our ecosystems, and certainly, of course, we shall come up with a surplus. How do farmers expose the surplus? And another issue which is very critical for scaling up agroforestry is the availability and distribution of germplasm. And we talked about the issue of water, especially in the dry lands, where water is a limiting factor. The establishment of tree nurseries is one of the critical issues that we have to look into. We have a sub-unit within the region which looks into water management, and we're working together in terms of issues like rainwater harvesting and so on, to ensure that at least a tree nursery establishment is achieved.